Hello students, let's do some more 1 mark questions. If minus 2 is a common root of the equations ax square minus ax plus 6 and x square plus x plus b equals to 0, we have to find the value of a and b. First equation is ax square minus ax plus 6 equals to 0. Minus 2 is a root of this equation. It means if we put the value of x as minus 2, the answer will be 0 or the equation will be satisfied and we will get the right hand side answer which is 0. Now in place of x we will put minus 2 minus a into minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 4. 4a plus 2a plus 6 equals to 0. 4a plus 2a 6a plus 6 equals to 0. 6a equals to minus 6 and a will be minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1. Now minus 2 is also the root of other equation x square plus x plus b equals to 0. Minus 2 is the root of this equation also. Now on putting x equals to minus 2, what will we get? Minus 2 square is 4. 4 minus 2 plus b equals to 0. 4 minus 2 is 2 plus b equals to 0. What is the value of b? Minus 2. Therefore, a is minus 1 and b is minus 2. And this is our answer. Given HCF 253, 440 means these are two numbers. First number is 253 and second number is 440. It is given that the HCF of these two numbers is 11. Therefore, HCF is 11. The LCM of 253 and 440, first number and second number is LCM equals to 253 into R. What we have to find? We have to find the value of R. But we have a formula. If we find the LCM and HCF of two numbers, then the product of two numbers, first number into second number, is equals to the product of HCF into LCM. First number is 253 into 440 equals to 253 into R into 11. What we have to find? We have to find the value of R. R equals to 253 into 440. 11 and 253 are multiplied with R. They will come to left hand side and we will divide them into 11. 253 and 253 get cancelled. 11 ones are, 11 fours are in 0. Value of R is 40. A tangent of length 12 cm is drawn to a circle of radius 5 cm. We have a circle with center O and the radius of the circle is 5 cm. Let it is point A. OA is 5 cm. A tangent of length 15 cm is drawn to a circle. Here is point P. A tangent is drawn to the circle. Let A is the point of contact where tangent is touching the circle. A tangent of length 12 cm is drawn to a circle of radius 5 cm. Radius of a circle is 5 cm. And the length of the tangent is 12 cm. Find the distance of P from the center. What we have to find? We have to find this distance from the center. OP we have to find. Here. Now, bache, OA is perpendicular to AP. This angle is 90 degrees. A tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. A is point of contact. Therefore, angle OAP equals to 90 degrees. Now, OA is 5 cm. AP is 12 cm. What we have to find? We have to find OP. As per Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OAP, which is hypotenuse, side opposite to 90 degree. This is 90 degrees, opposite side is OP. OP square equals to AP square plus OA square. OP square is AP is 12 square plus 5 square, that is 144 plus 25, 169. And what is OP? Root 169. Root 169 is plus minus 13, but we will take only 13 centimeters because the distance from point O to point P or any other distance can't be negative. Therefore, 13 centimeter is our answer. A pole of height 6 meter cast a shadow of length 2 root 3 meters. We have a pole, let AB is our pole, whose length is 6 meters. बच्चे अगर मैं ऐसे सीधे खड़ी हूँ, मेरी जो शेडो बनेगी वो नीचे बनेगी जमीन पे. ये पोल है, its shadow is here. The length of the shadow is 2 root 3 meters at a certain point of the day. दिन में किसी भी टाइम जो शेडो थी वो इतने लंबी थी. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? What we have to find? The angle of elevation. Here is the angle of elevation. Let theta. Clear? AC is the shadow. AB is our pole which is 6 meter high, and this is shadow. What we have to find? Find the angle of elevation. Now बच्चे, for this angle theta, side AB is opposite side and side AC is adjacent side. In which trigonometric ratios do we use opposite side and adjacent side? Tan. Therefore, tan theta equals to opposite side AB upon AC. Tan theta equals to AB is 6 upon AC is 2 root 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 is 3. In the denominator we have root 3. What is left? Root 3. Now for which degrees the tan is root 3? Tan 60 degrees. Value of tan 60 degrees is root 3. Therefore, our angle theta is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degrees. Find the area enclosed by two concentric circles of radius 4 cm and 3 cm. And the value of pi is 3.14. Now, बच्चे, we have two circles with the same center. The radius of first circle, smaller circle is 3 cm and the bigger circle is 4 cm. We have to find the shaded area. How can we find it? Shaded area will be area of bigger circle minus. When we will get the area of this circle, we will get the whole area. From this, if we subtract the area of this smaller circle, what will we get? Shaded portion minus area of smaller circle. What is area of bigger circle? Pi r square. We are taking as small r and it is capital R. Minus smaller circle pi r square. Pi is common. R square minus r square. We have an identity a square minus b square as a plus b, a minus b. In place of r square minus r square, what can we write? R plus r, r minus r. Pi is 3.14 into 3 plus 4 and 4 minus 3. 3.14 into 7 into 1. What will we get? 21.98 centimeter square is our answer. Two dice are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability that both show identical numbers? Now, bachche, we have tossed two dice. How many total outcomes will we get? When we toss two dice, how many total outcomes do we get? 36. How will you write it? 1 on first die, 1 on second. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. Another case, 2 on first die, 1 on second, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5 and 2 and 6. 3 on first die, 1 on second, 3 on first, 2 on second, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. 4 on first die, 1 on second, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. 5 on first die, 1 on second, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6. Or 6 on first die, 1 on another, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. We get 36 total outcomes. Now what we have to find? We have to find the probability that both dice show identical numbers. What will be our favorable outcomes? On both the dice we have to find the same number. Our favorable outcomes be 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. Identical numbers on both the die. How many favorable outcomes do we get? 6. Therefore, the probability of getting identical numbers will be possible outcomes upon it's favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes we have 6 upon total is 36. 1 by 6 is our answer. If alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, we have a quadratic polynomial x square minus k bracket में x plus 1 minus a, k into x kx minus k minus a. This is our quadratic polynomial and it is given that alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 equals to 0. We have to find a. Alpha and beta are the zeros. बच्चे, first, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial. In this case, what is a? Coefficient of x square 1. What is b? Coefficient of x minus k. And what is c? Constant. C is minus k minus a. Clear? Now, if we get alpha and beta as the zeros, we know sum of zeros. That is alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. In this case, alpha plus beta will be minus b, minus of minus k upon 1. That is k. Now, what is product of zeros? Product of 0 is alpha into beta, which is equals to c upon a. That is minus k minus a upon 1. Minus k minus a. This is product of zeros. Now, what is given? Alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 equals to 0. It is given. Alpha into beta, alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1 equals to 0. What is alpha beta? Minus k minus a plus what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is k plus 1 equals to 0. K and k get cancelled. What we get? Minus a plus 1 equals to 0 and a equals to 1, which is our answer. What is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle of radius 14 centimeter? बच्चे, tangents drawn at ends of diameter are parallel tangents. Suppose this is our circle, that it is our diameter. AB is our diameter. the tangent which touches the circle at point A and the tangent which is touching the circle at point P are parallel tangents, because this angle is 90 degree, tangent is perpendicular to radius, OA is perpendicular, OB is also perpendicular, this is also 90. These both angles are co-interior angles and their sum is 180. It means these are parallel. Now, both these tangents are parallel. This is PQ, this is RS. PQ is parallel to RS. What we have to find? We have to find the distance between them. Radius is given, OA equals to 14 centimeter. OB is also radius, AB is diameter. What will be the length of AB? 2 into radius, that is 2 into 14, 28 centimeters is our answer.